Alright, Raf, do you want to pull your rope off? Is he off?
Yeah. How much petrol does this or diesel does this use?
It's about the same as a van, really.
Oh, so it's not overly thirsty.
No. Alright, we're just starting our run up. Give me, I'll tell you when to start pressing the
She's
button.
going to talk.
And there's a boat on the other side, looks like there might be coming
can't hear you.
as well.
How is it?
It sounds like
Can you hear me okay?
Yes. The woman just come up and saying that it's out of order.
Bridge controls unavailable.
Is that what it says?
Yeah, bridge controls unavailable. Bridge daily operational times. Available from 5:30 to 20:51. To operate the bridge, place your automate key in the lock and turn it off.
Just try and use it, see if it comes up, see if it works. So the woman here says it's not working.
I put the key in and turned it to 3 o'clock and I'm getting nothing changing on the screen. It's not looking positive. Not looking good, Dad.
Not here at the minute, one sec. You said it's not looking good.
I believe this.
She said that there's an emergency, something coming out. Yeah, but we don't know. She doesn't know how long it'll be.
Is that really? That could, we could be minutes or 3 hours.
Yeah.
No one knows.
What time's our lunch booking?
12.
12 o'clock.
And
So-
how far is that to drive?
Should we chill, drive to the pub, have lunch, and then just go for
Little
a jaunt
jaunt.
at some point after
do.
lunch?
That way.
Yeah.
Can you go that way?
Yeah, I'd have to. Unfortunately, the turning spot is the other side of that bridge.
But the bridge will be fixed
Oh.
by after lunch.
How far driving is the pub?
Oh, not far. It's literally minutes.
Yes, what I thought.
Yeah. It's about an hour by boat.
Yeah, but like 10 minutes, 5 minutes
Yeah.
by car. Well, let's just chill here
Yeah,
then,
chill.
and then drive
just
to the
drive
pub,
to the
have
pub.
lunch,
And then come back.
and then come back and
see if
hopefully
we,
that's
see if
open.
we can
and
fancy a
then we
picture
can
then.
do it then,
Okay.
or go that way. But then you've got the issue of turning around, haven't you?
Well, there's a turning spot just the other side of the lock there.
there's a turning
Oh,
spot
so we could
somewhere.
reverse that far.
Yeah, left and reverse to it.
We could reverse.
Thing is, we've only got an hour now, haven't we? Until
I know,
we need
I
to set
know.
off for lunch.
10 to 11.
10 to 11.
Thank you, Harlow.
Thank you, Harlow.
Is she? Is she down there? Oh, she is. Cheeky.
Dada,
Yeah.
Can you tell Holla to unlock this door?
Oh, no.
She's locked me out.
She's coming. Bridge is open.
Is it?
Looks like it.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's going on?
I mean, I've just looked up and that looks like it. There's no bridge there.
There's no bridge.
Oh, shall I run down?
Let's do it. The road is open.
Your guide road.
Oh my god. Open. Will they close it? Keep your shoes on, madam.
Welcome, channel mode.
Can you hear me?
Yep. You got me?
Yeah, can you now?
Look at that!
That was lucky.
Yeah, so they've just let 2 through, bumping at you. The one that was reading out which one is going through now.
Okay, mate. I'll just creep up and see if I can get a way through something.
Yeah, the guy at the controls looks like he's the guy that's fixed it, but I'll have a word with him.
Have you got the key?
Yeah, I brought the key. Yeah, bring it on up, Dan. He'll hold it for you.
Okay, mate. That holiday one's blocking the whole way at the moment.
Sorry, Dan, repeat that. I was talking to someone.
Yeah, I'll just wait for that holiday one to move out of the way because he's sort of blocking the whole canal at the moment.
Alright, he's going to let the traffic through, but he'll stay here for you, alright?
Okay, thanks, mate. All right. We're in. We're through.
Okay, come on. Wait, did I come on? Harlow,
No, you better stay there,
Harlow, you
darling.
gotta do the lock.